Welcome to this video presentation where we'll introduce the latest version of CET.SteelConnDesign, version 1.4, along with the usage of FreeCAD for designing beam-to-moment end plate connections. Before we dive in, make sure to visit our channel for instructions on installing and setting up our software with FreeCAD. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at civiliangrtools@gmail.com. This update is based on the AISC Design Guide 4, Extended End Plate Moment Connection Seismic and Wind Applications, and the AISC Steel Manual as our main references. Let's get started. Assuming you have our software installed, open FreeCAD as usual and select the SteelConnDesign workbench. Create a column called C1 and a short beam named B1. Establish the B1_C1 connection and switch the design method to LRFD. Go to the Connection Design tab, set the moment to 2200 kip-inch, and choose Web Connection from the Design Parts drop-down. Select End Plate as the connection type, and you'll see an image of the new moment end plate. Leave the bolt diameter empty. Click the Design Connection button to generate the new moment end plate connection in FreeCAD. You have the option to customize various aspects of this connection, such as plate grade or dimensions. Under Moment Bolt Pattern, choose from 3 options: 4 bolts stiffened, and 8 bolts stiffened, aligning with AISC Design Guide 4. Let's pick 4 bolts stiffened. After the design, you'll notice the creation of a beam flange stiffener. Now try 8 bolts stiffened. You'll observe our system generating different configurations for the moment end plate. You can also undo these operations to revert to the previous design. There's another new input field, Applied Force to Member End. When you move your mouse over it, a little pop-up will appear, showing us that we can learn more about this distance in AISC J10. The picture on the left also gives us an idea of the distance. Just a quick reminder, in our system, cyan indicates design results, not user inputs. And you have flexibility to change many fields. For example, you can set the plate thickness to 1 inch. In the To Column tab, most fields remain the same. For example, you can adjust the gauge value to 4 inches. A new addition is the pitch distance for the moment end plate connection, illustrated in an accompanying image. Alter this value to 2 inches, and the 3D model will reflect the change. You can undo this to return to the previous design. Moving to the To Beam tab, we can set weld sizes between the moment end plate and the beam web or beam flange. Currently, we only support a single fillet weld type for the end plate to beam flange weld. With our beam stiffeners in place, the beam flange stiffener is now available in the Design Parts drop-down. Upon selection, you'll see a new image. Although the length and width dimensions are fixed, you can adjust the plate thickness to 1 inch. The beam flange stiffener connection only supports bevel groove weld type. The design summary table is also updated accordingly for the new moment end plate connections. Designing the connection with the 4 bolts type will automatically adjust the table. Lastly, let's explore the detailed report, which has been enhanced for the moment and plate connection. This report includes intricate calculations such as column flange flexural yielding checks. Users can print the report in PDF format for future reference. For column transverse stiffeners, you can make changes as usual, like adjusting the thickness to 1 inch. That concludes today's presentation. Thank you for watching.